Pochita was injured as well.
Oh!
Ah!
Whoa!
Hey guys, my name is Lucy.
And my name is Shuni.
And today we'll be reacting to episode number 1 of Chainsaw Man, Dog and Chainsaw.
Okay, we're so excited, and at the same time, for me, I don't know what to expect really from this anime. So, a new anime.
Yeah. Well, I do know what to expect.
Yeah.
Because when Chainsaw Man, the anime, came out, my Instagram was flooded of content of Chainsaw Man. And from what I saw, I never expected to be an anime that I would show her. It's the side of anime that I don't know if I wanted to show you.
Yeah.
So I was like, oh, I probably will watch this on my own since I don't think I'm gonna show it to Shuni. When this channel started, I wanted to show Shuni how amazing anime is. So she didn't watch anything from nothing. And I started showing anime to her before this channel started.
Yes.
But I was always showing her things without fan service or very sexualized things because it's very hard for someone to understand that anime is not for kids even though it's animation. So in the beginning it's hard. I guess this is a new beginning in this channel.
Yeah. It's a new door opening.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have to say, maybe you will see me reacting, rejecting maybe some fan service scenes or phrases.
Or us getting annoyed by it.
Yeah, because
how it's gonna be.
We are always true to our reactions. We don't fake anything. So we won't be, oh, I love this, and not really be loving it.
Yeah.
So I will stay true to what I like and don't like, but I will also, I guess both of us, will try to focus on the story and not on those things.
Yeah, even before I usually didn't really like very fan servicey animes. That's the main reason why I stopped watching some of them, because they became too much for me to enjoy, so I just stopped. But from what I know, the story is very good and it's worth watching. The animation, so I've seen on Instagram, is fantastic. There are things that I have been spoiled that I obviously not going to say because I don't want Shuni to get spoiled.
I have been spoiled with only one thing, that is the character Pochita.
Oh yes,
I know the character. Yeah, that's why we made this little doodle. I know how she looks like, and that's the only thing I know.
He.
Oh, it's a he.
Oh, I don't know.
It seems like a she to me, but
Pochita. Well, maybe it's because we speak Spanish and it ends with an A.
Yeah.
The name, so we usually
For us, it would be a girl's name, Pochita.
Yeah. La Pochita.
Right.
It would be weird. El Pochita.
Because I've seen that character in my Instagram as well, but I don't really know how the main character looks like. So the only thing I know is Pochita.
I know that. I know how most of the characters look like. And also I have to say that, going back to what we were speaking before, it's probably going to be hard for us to relate to the main character, but yeah, we're gonna give it a shot.
Yeah.
So so that's a bit nerve-wracking for me because I usually can relate to the main character, to their goal, to their mission in life, and I guess it's going to be hard for me to relate to that. I guess that's going to be funny for us. That's my prediction for the situation. You know what I mean, with his mission. So I guess that's going to be more funny than anything, than serious, you know.
Okay.
But yeah.
Yeah. That being said,
Okay.
We'll start watching the episode right now. Please don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to support us. And also turn on the bell icon so that you get notified every time that we upload a new reaction. And you have the link to our Patreon down in the description. There you have our reactions with extended cuts, no fadings, and a few episodes ahead of YouTube.
Well, I also know how, like, the names of some characters. So, just to leave that and say that, just in case. This video was brought to you by your Patreons. Thank you so much for helping us grow. To have access to all these exclusive rewards, check out the link in the description down below. Enjoy the video!
Wow, it looks really cool, like a video game or something.
Right. Yeah, well, I've seen that the animation in this anime is insane.
It's really cool.
It's also mappa.
Oh,
That's why these workers are so overworked, because they have to do this.
yeah.
And
yeah.
Attack on Titan.
It looks amazing.
Jujutsu Kaisen.
Oh, what's going on?
Oh, this is a lot of suspense.
Yeah. What was that place?
What happened? Oh, there you have Pochita. Okay, he looks homeless. Kinda. Oh, no, work. Okay.
He looks homeless.
Well, that didn't look... Okay.
Right.
Well, that didn't look like a home. Well, you could call it home, like a house. But he has a job?
月収6万だろ
Cutting down
こ
trees.
の間売った腎臓が
The kidney I sold?
右目
He's missing an eye?
30
Ah, he sold it?
金玉片方売って
What?
Oh, he is homeless. Or he's poor at least.
借金が3804万円
Oh, that's a lot.
Who do you owe that much money?
What happened?
落ちた
Pochita.
分かってるって
Pochita is not
そうそう
Pochita.
始まうか悪魔を1体殺せばだいたい30万やっぱデビルハンターが一番儲かるな
Okay. Very Jujutsu Kaisen-y monster.
Yeah, true.
Okay, an opening!
Yeah.
Weird for the first episode. And I also heard that they have different animation for all the openings or all the endings.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah, but I don't know if that's true.
Very cool opening. I like
Yeah.
it.
こいつはトマトの悪魔ですね種から復活するんで焼いといてください
Oh,
よくやったデンジ
Denji.
闇市でこいつの死体を売りゃ相当いい値になる報酬は40万だ
Oh.
そっから借金と利子引いて17万
No,
安利調整費その他もろもろを抜いて
no.
残りが7
What is this? No.
この7万から水道代を払って他んとこにしてる借金を払うと不思議だな
So cute.
もう残り1800円になっちゃった
Like,
食い物ね
Not enough to eat.
今月はこの金で暮らさなきゃいけねえから
A month? I was watching him.
なんでガキをデビルハンターに雇ってるんです
俺たちに
It was that guy that paid him.
返させてんだよ
悪魔を飼ってるやつにデビルハンターが務まるんですかね
Pet
ちゃんと
devil.
したデビルハンターはな俺たちヤクザに悪魔の死体流しちゃくれねえぞ
Okay.
それにデンジのいいとこが逆らわねえとこだ
Ari, what do you want?
犬
このタバコ食ったら100円やるよ
He's gonna do it.
I know.
マジっすかいただきますあ
His teeth.
Yeah.
また悪魔が出たら呼ぶ逃げたら豚の餌だからな
And he's going to be so happy about those
Well, he has
extra.
money now. He can eat.
Yeah.
ーね
Ah.
Smart.
So he doesn't do everything he's told.
Yeah. Good for him.
Yeah.
That was so cool.
Yeah, I like it. Ah, you like it too, Ollie?
Yeah. Maybe she likes Pochita.
話だけどな死ぬまで借金返し終わる気しねえし
Oh.
Wow.
俺は死ぬまで女と付き合えねえんだろうなこんなボロ小屋には女呼べねえし
Well,
Why not?
if she loves you,
Right.
she wouldn't care.
Right.
夢叶うなら女抱いてから死にてえな
A kid. He's a
That's-
kid. His father died, and he left all of this debt
Yeah.
to him. So he's been living like this since he was a kid.
Oh, he killed himself.
Oh.
物乞いするなり体を売るなりして
Hey,
じゃなきゃお前の死体をばらして売る
That's so mean.
it's not fair. He's He's just a kid.
Oh, this is the moment they meet. Yeah.
Encounter. It was evil before. Right. But why did they become friends?
Well, maybe because Pochita. Oh. Pochita was injured as well. Oh,
He's a good guy.
yeah. Why did Instagram show me all the bad bits?
Ay,
俺の血はただじゃねえ。これは契約だ。
okay.
お前を助けてやるから。俺を助けろ。俺をデビルハンターで雇ってくれませんか。
So he's killing devils with a little devil.
眠れね
Oh.
え寝れねえと借金のこと考えてもっと寝れねえ
I know, that's too cute for me.
食パンにジャム塗ってポチタと
Oh, that's so sweet.
Yes.
Then I'm gonna flirt with the girl.
部屋でゲームして抱かれながら眠るんだ
Aww.
いいだろ
Yeah. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, his body is not doing well.
Maybe.
All the organs that he sold.
Yeah, right.
母ちゃんさ心臓の病気で血吐いて死んだんだ
Oh.
no.
デンジ悪魔が出た仕事だぞ
Well, that's bad.
Okay, so this is nothing like I expected it to
No,
be.
not at all.
Nothing.
Instagram lied to me. Well, we're just getting started. Though.
I know,
We're just
but-
getting started.
We've seen and they have showed to us that he is a good guy
Yeah.
and he's suffering. He's
And he cares so much for Pochita.
yes.
And to honor the anime, someone is using a chainsaw right outside of our house.
So sorry for that noise.
Yeah.
We'll try to make it disappear with
No,
magic.
no, it's good. It's like our devil eyes with the
Demon Slayer.
Demon Slayer reaction. Things that happen. It's for the mood setting.
Mood setting.
It's mood setting. You like Pochita?
So far I like it.
Yeah.
And I wasn't expecting to like it this much.
And now I get his goal a bit more. I would say.
He craves love and
And affection.
Yeah.
Yeah. And money.
Obviously. Obviously. Not only he's poor, but he is alone for now. We haven't seen him with anyone. He lives alone, except for Pochita. I know.
Yeah. He's not alone. He's not alone.
But I mean,
Not any other humans.
his father died.
His father
Killed
himself. His
and-
mother died
Yeah,
from the same disease that he has.
probably. So that's too sad.
Yeah.
I feel sorry for him.
Yeah, absolutely. They're making an amazing job of making you feel sorry for him.
Yeah.
夢くらい見させてほしいよな
Oh, they are taking him to a devil, right?
I guess. Yeah.
こんなとこに悪魔出たんすか
Shady, right?
見当たらないっすけどどっか隠れたんすかね
Poor Pochita.
Yeah.
デンジよ俺たちはてめえに
He's gonna kill him.
At least he's gonna try.
Try.
でも俺は犬は臭くて綺麗だ
I. What? Oh! Oh!
てめえみてえに悪魔と契約することにしたんだ
Oh! What?
望むのはデビルハンターの死
Oh!
悪魔の力上げるっつったらさ自分たちから僕の奴隷になってやがんのなその力でゾンビになっちゃうんだ
Yeah, I was going to say they look like zombies.
ゾンビの悪魔だか
Oh, the zombie devil.
らだから殺しちゃうんだ
No! I mean, he's pretty injured.
そいつバラバラにしてゴミ箱にでも捨てちゃって
Oh! Run, yes! Save Pochita!
Yeah!
They're gonna be fine. They're not gonna be killed in the first episode.
出口や
another devil will come save him.
何も金持ちになりたいわけじゃね
Oh
え。ただせめて普通の生活
Oh my god, this is horrible.
no! And Pochita.
It started raining, so yeah, you might hear that as well.
Yeah, but we're happy. Sorry
Yeah.
for the noise, but we're so happy because it's been like 1 month without rain and a heat wave.
Yeah.
So,
So we're so happy it's raining, even though it's raining right when we are filming. Like, we don't even care
yeah,
right now. But going back to the anime.
that was too bad.
Yeah, I guess he is dead, or
Yeah.
like he's about to die.
How
They're
can
going
you,
to
No, how can you survive that?
the power of anime.
Yeah.
I guess he's going to die, and Pochita is going to do something,
You
or
think it's going to be Pochita?
maybe other devil hunters.
Okay.
Because this is like a lot of devils.
Yeah.
Maybe they're drawn to it somehow.
Okay. Yeah. But okay, we'll see. With the power of anime, as you said,
Yeah.
a lot of things can be done.
Yeah.
But
We don't know how the power system here works.
Right.
So we don't know if he can revive.
but I feel like he is dead already, and some other devil will come and bring him back to life with some devil magic, and so he will be in debt to someone else too. But I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if I want to see this.
Oh, his body's in there. Yep.
And Pochita.
Pochita.
Ay.
Oh, she's gonna recover.
She's gonna, yeah.
Oh, he.
With his blood. Well, yeah, we think it's a she, but maybe.
Pochita. Pochita's gonna recover.
ポチタ
What is this?
ポチタ仕事に行くぜ
I feel bad for Pochita,
Yeah.
but maybe they like it.
俺は悪魔と戦ってるうちに死ぬかもしれねえそうしたらポチタだけが心残り
Ay,
腹すかして死ぬかもしれねえし
no.
他のデビルハンターに殺されるかもしれねえ
Right.
悪魔には死んだ人の体を乗っ取れるやつがいるらしいポチタにそれができるんだったら俺の体をポチタにあげてんだ
Okay. This is how.
Yeah.
普通の暮らしをして普通の死に方をしてほしい
Aww.
No, that's so cute.
俺の夢を叶えてくれよ
Oh. Oh. Oh, he was dead.
Yeah, he was dead. Wow.
He had both his eyes.
But
ポチタ
but it's no longer. Ay.
俺の体ちゃんと奪えたか
But it's still him.
私はデンジの夢の話を聞くのが好きだった
Now he can
これは契
understand.
約だ私の心臓をやる代わりにデンジの夢を私に見せてくれ
ポチタ
Where is Pochita?
Right.
傷が
No, you were.
ポチタ
But so
So she's gone?
やっぱ僕デビルハンター嫌いみんなそいつ食べちゃ
No, this is gonna go differently.
they are so dead.
Yeah, all of them.
Yeah.
なんでこいつらは十分恵まれてんのにもっといい生活を望んだ俺も同じか
Vroom.
ポ
Right.
チタがいる幸せだけじゃ満足できなくて
Aww.
もっといい生活を夢に見た
But she's there. Oh, he. I'm sorry. But Pochita is there still, right?
邪魔すんなら
Ooh. Oh.
No, no. He's fine.
Please tell me.
He's fine.
さすがに食い殺しは死ぬだろう
No, no. I know anime.
I know anime. Oh.
Yes.
The noise.
Yes, yes.
He really looks like a devil, huh?
Oh.
Oh. Whoa. Whoa.
さっきの雑魚悪魔が体を乗っ取ったのか
Yeah.
仲間だな
Not really. Ugh.
What? I mean, he deserved it.
Yeah. Oh,
Ouch.
yeah. Ouch. Wow. This is too violent for me.
Yeah.
No, I don't like that part. Whoa.
Oh yeah, he should be scared.
Yeah. Ah! I don't like this level of violence, but I have to say it looks so cool.
Yeah. Well, I don't mind this level of violence because it's just animation. If it were like actors, I would be scared.
Ah.
I just want to know if Pochita comes back
Right, yes.
ever.
Yeah, same.
Oh, he doesn't. That's the scary part.
あんたたちの方は心まで悪魔になっちまったみてえだな。悪魔はぶっ殺さねえとね。
Well, I guess he has to escape this place, and
I know.
they're going to go after him. Yeah, now he's dead. Doesn't exist.
Right. It shouldn't, at least.
They're all dead. Who's gonna pay it to?
Maybe he has another debt to somebody else?
He stole a car? Oh no, that's this place. Okay. Someone's getting there.
Yeah.
Oh, and I know who she is.
From the opening, I guess I know.
I know from all of my
but
spoilers.
I don't know who they are, really. Before.
生きてるのがいますね。
And how can he go back to his human form, or he can't anymore?
Oh, I guess he can.
変わった匂いがするね。人でも悪魔でもない匂い。これ、君がやったの？
Oh.
Wow, she did it. Oh. Okay.
Her eyes.
Yes.
悪魔による乗っ取りの可能
They are so cool.
ないね。乗っ取りは顔見ればわかるもん。公安のデビルハンターなんだ。君の選択肢は2つ。悪魔として私に殺されるか、
Or you
人
help
とし
me.
て私に飼われるか。飼うならちゃんと餌はあげるよ。
朝飯はどんな？
食パンにバターと。
Well, he had him with bread with butter and jam.
Yeah.
最高じゃないっすか。
It does. Wow.
That's the end. Okay. Different ending from what I expected.
Okay.
Because endings
Yeah.
usually have
Yeah.
like some sort of animation.
Animation. Hey.
Okay. Yeah. I know that was a bit more violent than what you
It was.
can handle.
I am a very visual person.
Mhm.
So,
And a very sensitive.
and very sensitive, yes.
So those things together.
But still, that was like my limit, you know? Maybe more than that, it's gonna be hard for me. But for now, I have to say I really liked it.
Yeah, I guess it was better than what I expected.
Yes.
I'm a bit sad. Where is Pochita?
Right, where is Pochita? What is happening with the little Pochita body? And
Inside of him.
But I want to see it again.
Yeah.
It was super cute. I don't want to lose that in the first episode. I guess we have just lost it.
Yeah. I thought it was a recurring character.
Yeah, because everyone talks about Pochita.
Yeah.
I mean,
I'm gonna miss it.
It was a very important character because basically it saved him twice.
At least.
At least. Yeah,
And now he has his body parts again.
right. His organs
Yeah, because his eye was
back. Right.
So, oh, this is peak anime. He has regeneration powers. We love to see it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It kind of reminds me of Jujutsu Kaisen
Yeah.
sometimes.
Well, Jujutsu Kaisen was also animated by.
But the story as well.
Yeah.
Like, they had to kill these devils or demons. I guess it's more violent than Jujutsu Kaisen.
Yeah. So far, so good.
Yeah.
So I guess that's it for today's video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. and turn on the bell icon to get notified every time that we upload a new reaction. Also, you have the link to our Patreon down in the description, and there you have our reactions with extended cuts, no fadings, and some episodes ahead of YouTube. Okay, we'll see you guys next time. Bye!